talking about my model of the ocean floor. My model is made up of construction paper and a Converse shoebox. I have all of my features labeled within that picture. The three main margins are continental margins, deep ocean basins, as well as mid-oceanic ridges, a typical cross-section of the Atlantic Ocean basin. Active continental margins are located at the convergent plate boundaries, where one plate is being subducted under another. This process causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain buildings. Passive continental margins are located at divergent plate boundaries, where two plates are moving away from each other. What features indicate plate tectonics? Deep ocean trenches, volcanoes, island arcs, submarine mountain ranges, and fault lines are examples of features that can form along plate tectonic boundaries. The Earth's surface is active according to tectonic theory, moving as much as 1 to 2 inches a year. The many tectonic plate shifts and interact all the time. This motion reshapes the Earth's outer layer. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains are the result of this process. This model can be divided into 4 major categories: the continental shelf, continental slope, deep sea plain, oceanic deeps, or trenches. Continental shelf, these are located depths roughly vary from 120 to 400 meters. Some areas may just be 30 meters deep, while others may be 600 meters deep. The shelf's width is about 70 to 80 kilometers. The sea's continental shelf makes up about 7.5% of the ocean. When it comes to the continental slope, the continental shelf and the ocean basin are connected by the continental slope. The shelf breaks, which are the steep slopes where the continental shelves abruptly end, are where it starts. There are many ditches and canyons on the continental slopes. This area's depth spans from 200 to 3,000 meters. Now the deep sea plain, which is the ocean's basins, gently sloping deep sea plains, are located there. The marine and shallow water sediments that prevent irregularity in the region make the flattest and smoothest regions on the Earth. Nearly 40% of the ocean's floor is made up of the deep sea plains. Now the trenches are the deepest parts of the waters. They go by the name of the submarine trenches. You can see that on my model. The trenches are sidewalks. The trenches' sidewalls are steep and have narrow basins.